Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an attachment box to upload files in your receive screen. So first go to inventory at the top, receive inventory in the menu, and then on this screen you're going to be receiving in items. I already typed in a Dell Optibook 780, and if you notice there's no real place where I can add an attachment. So if you're looking to add maybe an Excel document or a PDF or a Word document, whatever you want to add to a particular item, there isn't a really good option to do that in Razor right now. You can add notes, obviously, and the notes will be captured throughout the process, but I want to add something from an outside source. So we added a new feature. If you go to the system settings by clicking on the settings icon at the top, clicking on system settings, and then clicking on inventory attributes. In the attributes section, so make sure you go to attribute sets. In the attribute sets section, there's this file upload, where if you select it, you can enable file upload. You can also require it too. So in this case, I had a desktop. I want to enable the file attribute set. I don't want to require it. It's probably best practice to leave required unselected. At this point, make sure you save your attribute set. If you don't save your attribute set, it's not going to work. I'm going to come back to the main screen. I'm going to refresh. And because the Dell Optiplex was associated to the desktop attribute set, you see here that we have our attribute field. So at this point, we have our new attribute field that's added to the bottom. You can just drag and drop images or spreadsheets into this field, and you can see that it's being uploaded, and that's how you attach items.